Good morning students. Now today I am going to start the revision of chapter 11, that is Basic Geometrical Concepts. Now children, we are already familiar with shapes around us. There are two types of shapes, that is plane shapes and solid shapes. You know, in plane shapes, the most important shape is rectangle. That is, this type of shape is rectangle. This is a square, this is a circle, and this is a triangle. And this oval shape is also there, but in our syllabus, the commonly used this type of shape. This is a plane shape. That is a rectangle, square, circle and triangle. The next shape is the solid shapes. In solid shapes comes that is a cube. This type of shape is cube. And this is a cuboid. The figure of cuboid is like this. Then sphere. This is a sphere. Then comes this cylinder. This is the figure of the cylinder. Then cone. This is the figure of a cone, or you can say this is a figure of a cone. So all this you are familiar about this shape, that is a plane shapes and solid shape. Plane shapes only two dimensions, that is length and breadth. And in solid shapes, that is the three dimensions, that is length, breadth and height. Now students, this in solid shapes, I discuss the faces, edges and vertices. Now in cube, how many edges? That is 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. In cuboid also, that is 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. And in sphere, that is the 0 edges, 0 vertices and in faces, 1 curved face. Plane face is 0, but only 1 curved face in a sphere. Now next is cone. In cone, 1 edges, 1 vertices, 1 plane face and 1 curved face. It means total faces, that is 2. 1 plane and 1 curved. Then comes to cylinder. In cylinder, 2 edges, 0 vertices and 3 faces. Total is 3 faces, that is 2 plane face and 1 curved face. Now you should remember this chart. And in plane shapes, that is in square, how many sides? That is 4 sides and 4 vertices. Same in rectangle. In rectangle, that is 4 sides and 4 vertices. In square, all the sides are equal, and in rectangle, only opposite sides are equal. Then comes to circle. In circle, there are 0 sides and 0 vertices. That is no side and no vertices. Then comes to triangle. In triangle, 3 sides and 3 vertices. These are about the plane shapes and solid shapes. Now next comes in geometrical concepts the 3 important points, that is the line segment, line and ray. In line segment, it has 2 end points. It has a fixed length and it can be measured. Whereas in line, it has no end point, no fixed length, and it can't be measured. And in ray, also no end point, no fixed length, can't be measured. A line segment, the figure of line segment is this. It means the starting and ending, both the points we know. And the figure of the line is this type of figure that from both the ends we extend it. This arrow means इस line को हम यहाँ से बढ़ा सकते हैं और इस line को भी यहाँ से extend कर सकते हैं और आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं. तो it has no end points. Now the figure of ray. The figure of ray is this. It means this is the starting point. We know that, and also called as the initial point. And this is the ray arrow. Arrow means इस लाइन को हम आगे तक extend कर सकते हैं. We don't know the end point. So this is the figure of, this figure is ray, and this is the line, and this is line segment. Now you know how we draw and measure the line segment. हम line segment को कैसे draw और measure करेंगे. If suppose given 3 centimeter, then how we draw the line of 3 centimeter with the help of the ruler. स्केल की सहायता से हम 3 सेंटीमीटर की लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. सबसे पहले हम अपना स्केल अपनी नोटबुक पे रखेंगे और उसके बाद इसका जो 0 पॉइंट है वो ये 0 पॉइंट हमारे स्केल पे, जैसे यहाँ पे भी होगा, कॉपी पे स्केल रखा है, यहाँ पे 0 पॉइंट से आगे 3 तक हम ले जाएंगे और इस तरीके से लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. तो ये हमारी 3 सेंटीमीटर की लाइन ड्रॉ हो जाएगी और इसको नाम देंगे. तो इस तरीके से कितनी भी सेंटीमीटर की लाइन गिवन होगी उसको हम ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. और इस तरीके की लाइन दे रखी है तो इस पे हमारा स्केल रख के इसको मेजर कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैंने पहले भी आपको ये बता रखा है कि हाउ वी मेजर एंड हाउ वी ड्रॉ अ लाइन सेगमेंट. नाउ व्हाट इज पॉलीगन? That is a simple closed curve formed with 3 or more than 3 line segments is called a polygon. इस तरीके से एक क्लोज्ड फिगर है जो 3 और 3 से ज्यादा लाइन सेगमेंट से ज्वाइन किया है, दैट इज अ पॉलीगन. एक ट्रायंगल भी हमारा एक पॉलीगन होगा क्योंकि 3 स्ट्रेट लाइन से ज्वाइन हो रहा है, तो वी आल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ पॉलीगन. In polygon, you see triangle. In triangle, 3 sides are there, and a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, it means 4 sides are there in a quadrilateral. Rectangle also have 4 sides. Square also have 4 sides. And in pentagon, how many sides are there? That is the 5 sides in a pentagon. And in hexagon, how many sides are there? That in hexagon, 6 sides are there in a hexagon. Now what is angle? A figure formed by joining 2 rays at their initial points is called an angle. That is the 2 rays joining their initial point, then we say that this is the angle. A figure formed by joining 2 rays at their initial point is called an angle. here the two rays, this is the rays, this is 1 and this is 2, and here we formed an angle. Clear? Now in angle, how we give the name of the angle? Suppose I write it here AOB and ask to write the name of this angle. How we give the name of this angle? सबसे पहले this is the symbol of angle, angle का symbol बनाना है और इसके अंदर हमें लिखना है AOB, AOB, or you can say angle BOA. In both the sides we can give the name. इसको यहाँ से भी दे सकते हैं और यहाँ से भी. हमेशा जहाँ भी एंगल फॉर्म करता है वो मिडिल में आता है. बस इस चीज का आपको ध्यान रखना है कि जहां एंगल फॉर्म्ड होगा वो मिडिल में होगा. नाउ द इंटीरियर एंगल्स, इस एंगल के अंदर जो भी पॉइंट गिवन है दैट इज द इंटीरियर, और इस एंगल के बाहर जो भी पॉइंट है दैट इज द एक्सटीरियर, और इस पे जो पॉइंट होगा इट मीन्स ऑन द एंगल. क्लियर? द नेक्स्ट कम्स द वर्टेक्स and the arms. The question asks write the vertex and arms. तो वर्टेक्स हमारी ये होगी जहां टू रेस हमारी मीट करती है, दैट पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड द वर्टेक्स. तो जहां भी ये दो रे हमारी मीट कर रही है तो जो भी पॉइंट मेंशन हो, यहाँ पे O है, सपोज P से हो तो दैट इज द वर्टेक्स. और टू आर्म्स का नेम लिखना है तो ये AO एंड BO, और यू कैन से OA एंड OB. द टू रेज है तो O इसका इनिशियल पॉइंट होगा, दैट्स व्हाई वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम OA एंड OB, दैट इज द आर्म्स. तो ये हमारी टू रेज हो जाएंगे, दैट इज द आर्म्स, और वर्टेक्स हमारा इसमें क्या होगा, दैट इज द O. O इज द वर्टेक्स. नाउ क्लियर ऑल अबाउट द एंगल्स, एंड इन एंगल्स देयर आर दी this type of angles. The questions ask that write the name of the angle, write the vertex, write the arms. Now you clear this. Now here the triangles. Triangles are classified on the basis of lengths of their sides. Lengths की साइड में 3 टाइप्स के ट्रायंगल क्लासिफाई होते हैं. दैट इज नंबर 1 इज इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. Equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle. Which type of equilateral triangle? In this all sides are equal. इसमें क्या होता है, all sides are equal. इसकी सारी sides जो है ट्रायंगल की वो इक्वल होती है. ऐसे ये 2 सेंटीमीटर है, this is also 2 centimeter, this is also 2 centimeter, and we can say this type of triangle is equilateral triangle. Now the second is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal. A triangle in which 2 sides are equal, then a triangle is said to be isosceles triangle. जिस ट्रायंगल की केवल 2 ही साइड्स इक्वल होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड द आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल. वो ट्रायंगल क्या होता है, आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल होता है. जैसे यहाँ पे 3 सेंटीमीटर हो गया और यहाँ पे 2 सेंटीमीटर है और 2 सेंटीमीटर है, ये दोनों साइड्स इक्वल है और ये ग्रेटर साइड है, it means the isosceles triangle. A triangle in which only 2 sides are equal, then we say the isosceles triangle. Now the third triangle, that is the scalar triangle. In scalar triangle, all 3 sides are different. No sides are equal. All sides are different. इसकी तीनों की sides अलग होती है. That is a scalar triangle. ये एक ट्रायंगल है जिसकी तीनों ही sides different है. ये हो गया 3 सेंटीमीटर, ये हमारा हो गया that is the 3 centimeter, this is the 4 centimeter and this is the 2 centimeter. It means all the 3 sides are different. यहाँ पे मैंने अभी स्केल लेके ड्रॉ नहीं किया है, सिर्फ मेजरमेंट लिखे हैं. इससे शो हो रहा है कि ये साइड, ये साइड, ये साइड, तीनों साइड डिफरेंट है. इट मीन्स दैट इज अ स्केलर ट्रायंगल. नाउ यू क्लियर ऑल द 3 types of triangles. That is the equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, only 2 sides are equal. And in scalar triangle, all the 3 sides are different. This is the symbol of a triangle. Now circle. This is a circle. And this middle point, we can say this is a center. And denoted by O, and this is the radius, and if we join this end to this end passing through the center, then this is the diameter. This is the diameter. It is the diameter. Center से पास होते हुए जो लाइन जाती है उसको हम diameter कहते हैं. And this is a chord. जैसे इसके end point पे है C and D. We can say this is a chord. ये हमारी chord होती है. Clear? This is the radius. This is the center point. This is the diameter, and this is the chord. And in a circle, diameter is the longest chord in a circle. Okay? Now, next is if diameter, the formula of diameter. That is diameter is equals to 2 multiplied by radius. 2 or you can say or 2 multiplied by radius. Diameter का ये फॉर्मूला होता है 2 multiplied by radius. हमें क्वेश्चन फाइंड आउट करने के लिए आता है इस टाइप से. फाइंड द डायमीटर, फाइंड द डायमीटर if radius is 10 centimeter. Then first we write the formula, that is diameter is equals to, first always we write the formula, diameter is equals to 2 multiplied by radius, and we substitute the value of radius here, that is 10 centimeter, and diameter is 20 centimeter. So you should remember this formula, diameter is equals to 2 multiplied by radius. Next comes this formula, that is radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. You should remember this formula because the question asked in this way, find the radius if diameter is equals, the diameter is 36 centimeter. Then we can solve in this way. First we write this formula, that is radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. Now we substitute the value of diameter here, that is 36 centimeter divided by 2. अब हम 2 से divide करेंगे and we get 18 centimeter. In this way we can solve or find out the radius. So you should remember these 2 formula, that is diameter is equals to 2 multiplied by radius, and radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. अभी आपने ये दोनों टाइप के क्वेश्चंस देखे. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. यू डोंट बी कंफ्यूज्ड बिटवीन द, इसमें आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. अगर हमें रेडियस फाइंड आउट करने के लिए पूछा जाए तो यही फॉर्मूला लगाना है, और डायमीटर पूछा जाए तो हमें 2 multiply by r लगाना है. Clear? Now you should practice this type of questions in your practice course.